Go ahead.
The Owl and the Pussycat by Edward Lear. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up at the starry sky and sang to a small guitar. Oh, beautiful pussy, oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. You are, you are, what a beautiful pussy you are. Said the pussy to owl, oh, you elegant fowl, and how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. But what shall we do for a ring? Ring, a ring. So what shall we do for a ring? So they sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the balm tree grows. And there in a wood a piggy-wig stood with a ring in the end of his nose. Said the Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling a ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey fields on the hill. Mama, the potato head. They dined on mince and nests of quince, which they ate with a runcible spoon. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, the moon. They danced by the light of the moon.